Welcome to this tutorial on how to recover your Etsy account. If you are having trouble accessing your Etsy account, do not worry. Recovering it is a straightforward process. First, go to the Etsy website and click on the Sign In button. Then, click on the Forgot Password link below the Sign In form. Enter your email address or username associated with your Etsy account and click on the Reset Password button. Etsy will send you an email with a password reset link. Open the email and click on the Reset Password link. You will be taken to a page where you can enter a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and unique, and click on the Save Changes button. If you are still having trouble accessing your account, you may need to verify your account information. To do this, go to the Etsy help page and click on the Account Issues link. Then, click on the Verify Account Information link and follow the prompts to verify your email address, name, and other account details. If you are still having trouble, you can contact Etsy support for further assistance. They will be able to help you recover your account and get back to selling or shopping on Etsy. It is also a good idea to make sure your account information is up to date and accurate to prevent any future issues. This includes making sure your email address and password are current and that your account is linked to a valid payment method. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Etsy account quickly and easily. Remember to always keep your account information secure and up to date to avoid any future issues.